In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Apple ID account locked error. Let's get started. First, make sure you are entering the correct Apple ID email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, don't keep trying different combinations as repeated failed attempts can delay access. Instead, launch your Safari browser, navigate to the website iforgot.apple.com, enter your Apple ID and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the account recovery process. If Apple asks you to confirm your trusted phone number, enter the full phone number associated with your Apple ID. After your phone number is verified, follow the remaining verification steps, which may include entering a verification code sent to your trusted device or trusted phone number. If you no longer have access to your trusted phone number, select the option indicating that you can't use that number and continue with Apple's account recovery process. Apple will verify your identity using the information available on your account. Depending on your account security settings, this process can take some time before access is restored. Also, make sure your iPhone has a stable internet connection and date and time settings are correct. If you are still unable to unlock your Apple ID after completing these steps, contact Apple support for additional assistance. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.